everyone. I wanted to talk about you maybe feeling stuck in your French language learning. Do you feel like you don't know what to focus on next? Have you been learning on your own with an app or with a course, and maybe you feel like you've learned a lot, but you still feel like you can't speak, feeling good about it, feeling comfortable around French speakers? If it's the case, that's probably because you are focusing on the wrong thing to learn, to improve. For example, if your goal right now is to feel more comfortable around French speakers, why don't you feel comfortable around French speakers? Is it because you're scared that your pronunciation is not good enough? Are you scared that people will make fun of you if you speak French? Do you feel like your vocabulary is not good enough, big enough? What makes you feel uncomfortable at the moment around French speakers? Whatever you realize that is, you need to work on this right now. So let's say you fear like your pronunciation is not good enough, so that people might not understand you right away. And then you will feel maybe like not ashamed, but like, overwhelmed, stressed out about having a conversation in French. And then at the end, you don't have this conversation because all the things that we talked about. Your next step can be you improving your pronunciation. Okay? To improve your pronunciation, for example, you can either talk with someone that can correct you, or if you want to do this on your own, you can definitely, find text online in French and use a website or app that can, a translator, but you're not going to translate it. You're just going to copy and paste the text in this translator website, and then use the speaker microphone option so that the app can read the text and you can hear the pronunciation and you can copy the pronunciation. You can practice on your own, repeat, and do it as much as you need to in order to improve whatever sound might not be perfect at the moment. These are topics I help you with in my one-on-one coaching program. I also help you improving your conversational skills in French, but we do a lot of, fears and removing blocks that might prevent you from speaking French with more ease. If you are interested in that, the link is in the description below. Tell me in the comment if you feel like you want to share. Why are you stuck at the moment? Or where are you stuck at the moment? I'll be happy to help you.